How much revenue does Rocket Money generate? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting on a pile of cash, a mountain of money that you've saved by simply using a simple app. Hook. Isn't that a dream come true? Today, we're going to dive deep into an app that's making that dream a reality for millions worldwide. It's called Rocket Money, and it's changing the way people manage their finances. But the big question is, how much money is Rocket Money making? Building context. Before we get into the numbers, let's understand what Rocket Money actually does. Rocket Money is essentially a personal finance app that helps you save money by canceling unwanted subscriptions, negotiating bills, and finding better deals. It's like having a personal financial assistant at your fingertips. But how does it make money? The revenue model. Rocket Money primarily generates revenue through two main channels. Subscription fees. Users can subscribe to Rocket Money Premium for access to additional features and benefits. This is a recurring revenue stream for the company. Affiliate partnerships. Rocket Money partners with various companies to offer exclusive deals and discounts to its users. When users sign up for these offers through Rocket Money, the company earns a commission. The numbers. Now, let's get to the juicy part, the numbers. Unfortunately, Rocket Money doesn't publicly disclose its exact revenue figures. This is a common practice among many private companies, especially those in the tech industry. However, we can make some educated guesses based on the company's growth and the size of its user base. Rocket Money has experienced significant growth in recent years, with millions of users worldwide. Given its popularity and the value it provides to its users, it's safe to assume that the company is generating substantial revenue. While we can't pinpoint the exact figure, it's likely in the millions, if not billions, of dollars per year. Factors affecting revenue. Several factors can influence Rocket Money's revenue, including user growth. The more users Rocket Money acquires, the higher its potential revenue. Subscription rates. The pricing of Rocket Money Premium can significantly impact revenue. Affiliate partnerships. The quality and number of affiliate partnerships can influence commission earnings. Competition. The competitive landscape in the personal finance app market can affect Rocket Money's market share and revenue. Future outlook. Given Rocket Money's strong growth and the increasing demand for personal finance tools, the company's future looks promising. As long as it continues to innovate and provide value to its users, it's likely to see continued growth in its revenue. Conclusion. So, while we can't give you an exact figure for Rocket Money's revenue, it's clear that the company is doing very well financially. Its innovative approach to personal finance has resonated with millions of users, and its revenue model is well suited for long-term growth. As Rocket Money continues to expand and evolve, it will be interesting to see how its revenue figures develop in the coming years. Call to action. Have you tried Rocket Money? What are your experiences with the app? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.